I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi, the celebrity hair transplant surgeon. I'm going to answer your question about how long a transplanted hair or transplanted hair follicles will grow. So when we do a transplanted hair from any source, we want to see how long the transplant hair will grow. How long can be expected to grow if you don't cut it? The answer is having to do with the area of donor. If you use a scalp hair to transplant on the balding area, and your hair, if you don't get it cut, it grows all to your shoulder. It's like about a few inches, right? So the transplanted hair is expected to grow about the same length. If your hair grows up to your waist, the transplanted hair will grow longer. And that has to do with the growth phase of the hair. So some people grow the hair only 1 year. Every month you grow 1 centimeter, and up to 1 year you can grow to 12 centimeter, which is about the shoulder length. If you grow your hair, each individual hair, up to 5 years, your hair grows all the way down to your waist. So if you use the scalp for the source of your hair transplant, the trend is going to be the same as the existing scalp hair on the back. But if you use beard hair, that's a different situation. Beard hair has a shorter growth phase and longer resting phase. Usually beard hair doesn't grow more than 1 year or maybe 2 years maximum. So your hair is expected to grow to this length as if you're growing your beard. So it depends on the source of your hair. The length of the hair that you can expect, the final length of the hair could be different. So now if you get a body hair or pubic hair transplant, we know that those are not growing more than a few centimeters, right? Because they grow for a couple of months and then go to resting phase. So the transplanted hair will have the same phase. There is one research that showed that if you do body hair to scalp, the pattern of hair might change a little bit and hair might be longer than existing body hair, but that research has never been reproduced, so we're not quite sure that how valid those results are. I hope you enjoyed this video about the length of growth in transplanted hair. If you have any other questions, put them in the comment section or follow us on social media.